Hi and welcome to another Final Cut Pro tutorial. I was working on a awareness video for women for Sheffield Self-Defense Promotions and came up with this little idea here which I thought was pretty cool. I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's just zoom in, let it play. So this is the part we're talking about here. How I got this part to work here, you'll see. Alright, so let's get to work. So first of all, go to our projects. I'm not going to work on this one. Let's go to my projects over here. Go to the bottom. I've already got what I need set up. Here we go. So here's my footage. Let me just turn the volume down. Here is the footage. Pretty basic right now. So that's your footage. We're going to make this into a little more interesting. So first of all, what you're looking to do is this type of camera videography is pretty easy to do. You can just get a friend, video this quite simply without much problems. So first of all, I'm going to slow this clip down here, or should I say speed it up. My apologies. Let's speed it up to custom. Actually, let me change this. Let's go to R. Let's speed it up there, here, as he attacks. Custom. Let's take it to about 220 will be good. So this is what it look like now. And boom, straight in. Speed that part up. Boom. Okay. Now the second clip needs to speed up too, to make it more interesting. If you ever want to make a boring clip more interesting, either slow it down or speed it up. So go to custom. I'm going to take this to, I don't know, 140. So how does it look? Better. Now, this is where the transition needs to work. Let's go to your transitions. And you need this transition. TV glitch. This one here. So bring it on. And that's what I have now. Let's have a look. That glitches it up, pretty cool. Let's just check if I'm happy with the settings. Yeah, that's cool, I like that. Alright, so this is where it gets a little more interesting. Let's talk about this TV glitch actually. I'm not sure if it comes with Final Cut or that I downloaded it, but I'm pretty sure it's free. It was either from, if it's not on Final Cut Pro already, it was either from King Tut's Pro or Ryan, one of the two. And I'm pretty sure it's free too, but I may be wrong. Alright, so enough about that. Let's zoom in now. This is where it gets a little interesting. Here we go. So now we got to break this clip up. So you're going to click down, Command B. Sorry, not down, my apologies. Click left. Click left, or right, should I say? Click right, Command B. Click right again, Command B. Just keep doing it until you've broken the clip up. Alright, we'll deal with this in a moment. Next, we've got to put the writing in there. To be continued. Or whatever you want to put in there. So, let's click basic title. Drag that in. And you want it to be... Let's just delete that. How long is this? 5, no, we want it to be about 12. So what have we got so far? Let's have a look. Back to the beginning. Play. And the title. Alright, cool. So let's change the title. Let's put in here, to be continued. To be continued. Dot, dot, dot. 3 dots. Alright, size it up a bit more. Hit bold. That's good. And now we got to break this one up. Okay. B. Do the same again. Right, Command B, all the way down. Alright. So we have this pretty boring right now. Let's make this more interesting. We're gonna go to our effects panel and we're gonna type in glitch. Sorry. Glitch. Analog glitch is what we want. Yeah, the analog one. So we have now, should look like this. Let's shorten this down a little bit. Make it a little longer. There you go. So let's put some sound effects in there now. Let's go to sound effects. I've already got it locked up there. You're looking for buzz, door buzz. Let's drag this in. Zoom in a little bit. Place it there. Command copy. Paste. So let's see how it looks. From the beginning. Okay, I could do that a little longer, I think, but we'll work on that in a moment. So let's work on this part here. So I have to zoom in again now. Click on here so it zooms in where I want it. So we need to delete some of these, deactivate them. So just press V on the ones you want to deactivate. 1. Click. Something like that. Let's see how that goes. Again. So let's click that one. Activate it again. Ah, why didn't it let me activate? There we go. Deactivate this one. Yeah, there we go. So let's go into the big picture. Play all from the beginning. I'm not happy with somewhere along here. Here. Try that. There you go. So that's the effect you're looking for. So all I did was play around with cutting a few out here and there, deactivating them and playing. And at the end we put a glitch effect. Now all we got to do to make it more movie-like is add a letterbox. So come over to your titles. We're going to use a blank adjustment layer. Zoom out so we can work on this properly. Trim this down to the end. So we need to put a letterbox effect in there. So letter, there you go. Add that in there. My apologies, click on it. No wonder it's not showing up. It didn't go in. Try again. There we go. So let's move these borders up. To 4. I'm quite happy at that. Let's move this up to 1. Leave it there. There you go. Now we're getting somewhere. And let's add a film look to this too. Delete that. Type in film. Film grain, film age, no, film look. That's what I'm looking for. So click, drag that into your adjustment. Make sure you put an adjustment because it adds it to everything. So you don't have to go through every little bit of adding what you need to put. Place it there. So let's see. Don't want it too blurry. cool. There you go, peak boost. Diffuse. Alright, I'm happy at that. So let's play from the beginning. So from the beginning, hit play. So, if you like the tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to bring some more tutorials out for transitions and effects for Final Cut Pro. Thank you very much. Take care.